about what the dogs are going to do.
Hi, Petey.
Changed because now I take a bit more responsibility, clearing up the dog's mess. Just general with the dogs helping out and do a lot more.
Hi, Petey.
When I first
You gonna fall down?
the dogs were tearing the family apart. Now the dogs and the family are transformed, and they have made us a real success.
Hi, Verde.
What's your dog? A new quirky
Hi, baby.
dog training show?
They're taking a picture of you. You want to go bye-bye in the car? You want to go bye-bye, huh? We'll go bye-bye later when it warms up. You my baby? She's my baby. Baby Verde. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you.
But skilled and loving caregivers are determined to
She's my good boy.
even though few walrus calves have ever
She's my baby, huh? She be my baby?
Thousands of miles away, the little
Good boy.
must learn to survive in his new environment. Marius will find
Hi, Birdie baby.
his surrogate human family.
You good boy?
Every day, the little walrus will be confronted with difficult challenges and ordeals.
Where's the Petey? You're back under there again, huh? You're not supposed to be under there, sweetie. There's a lot of stuff in there you can get into. What are you doing? Are you a good girl? Petey Poodle! Good girl. Good girl. Kissy Coo. Hi. Are you the Verde baby? Yeah. You my good boy? You want to go bye-bye? Yeah. You the baby that likes to go bye-bye with mommy?
Very rare and precious cargo has just arrived at the Anchorage airport.
You the baby?
Inside the container is an orphan